Hey everybody, it's Miss Bev again. Show you. This I do with my cereal boxes. I do not throw my cereal boxes away. I use them to store my things that I'm going to be doing for my activities. So like I had my shoelace in here and the cereal bag was in this box, and I have this in case Peter wants to have some Fruit Loops. And one of the things on the Fruit Loops that I like to talk about is the toucan. Now I think the toucan has a beautiful smile. I just think it is just so nice. So that's why I like this Fruit Loop container. Okay, and what we're going to do is take the shoelace and we're going to put some cereal on. Let me think of what number. Let me think. I think I'm going to put 20 of these on. Think I can do it? I'm going to try. Well, here's the first one. 1. 2. A green one. 3. 4. Ooh, look at 5. Another green one. 6. Oh, this is so much fun. And it's looking good too. Look at that. Oh, yes, it is just so nice. Let me put another. What did I have now? Oh, I gotta count. I lost the number. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Miss Bev, don't forget 6. Then this is number 7. And now I have number 8. Another green. Number 9. Wow, I love it. Oh, I just love this. 9, 10. Wow. Now, that means I have 10 more to put on. Because I said I was going to put 20, right? Okay. Let's. 11. 12. 13. Oops. 14. Another green one. 15. 16. 17. A green one. 18. 19. 20. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I did a real good job. But you know what I noticed? I would like to put a green one over here on the end, on this end. So that would make it 21. And then I noticed on this end, I need a green one. All right, so 22. Oh, look at what Miss Bev made. Oh, so you could wear it as a necklace if you wanted to. This is fun. Or you can put it out and hang it up for the birds. This is beautiful. See you next time.